Okay, so we got this situation to handle. If f of x is this and g of x is this, then the value of integration of this function. Okay, so you know that the limit is minus a to a. So you can apply that property. Okay, where we have studied, if we have like question from minus a to a, f of x, we can write f of x dx. We can write down this function as 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Now for this question, f of x is what? G of f of x. Okay, so first handle this function. So first find out who is g of f of x. Let's calculate. So for g of f of x, what we have to do? In the function g, you have to replace x with f of x. Okay, so you will be having log f of x. Correct? Now replace f of x with the given function. So it is log 2 minus x cos x upon 2 plus x cos x. So we got our g of f of x. Okay, now let's manipulate the question. So we can write the question from 0 to pi by 4 and then f of x. Now your f of x is this. So we can write log, this is f of x. Okay, so 2 minus x cos x upon 2 plus x cos x. है ना? Now you have to replace, means you have to write f of minus x, means you have to replace x with minus x. So log 2 minus x, and this minus will become plus, and you know that cos of minus x is nothing but cos x only. Okay, so you will have 2 plus x cos x, and then on denominator you will be having 2 minus x cos x dx. Now if you'll observe the argument of log, both are same but they are reciprocal to each other. Okay, so what we will do, we will manipulate the argument now. So integration from 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus x cos x upon 2 plus x cos x plus log, now I will be writing same thing, 2 minus x cos x upon 2 plus x cos x power minus 1. Now you know that if anything is in the argument, the power of argument of log comes at coefficient. So this minus 1 will come over here and it will become minus. Now if you'll observe, both are same, so this thing will be neutralized. So we have to integrate 0 from 0 to pi by 4 dx. You know that the integration will become 0. Therefore the required result is 0 for the given question. I hope you guys got the idea and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.